All right, here we are. Just so you guys know what's going on, I have my truck on the jack. I have two 2x4s supporting the bricks. My truck is roughly 4,000 pounds, so one corner of it should be about 1,000. We're gonna do the back corner since the back corner is gonna be lighter than the front. If it survives the back corner, then we will move on to the front. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. As you can see, those bricks are supporting the weight of the rear corner of my truck, which is roughly 1,000 pounds. Now we will move on to the front. So what I've decided, since the bricks held up to the weight just being laid on top of them, what I'm gonna do now is I'm just going to set these bricks up like a ramp, and I'm just gonna drive over them, and hopefully that'll put enough force on them to break them. And then if that doesn't work, we'll just have to figure something else out. As you can see, flex glue is strong enough to use as a car ramp. This is actually really impressive. I had no idea that it would hold this much weight. I thought this would break in a heartbeat.